Welcome back, Windows 10 users. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of changing the accent color in dark mode. By customizing the accent color, you can personalize your Windows 10 experience even further. Let's get started. Step 1. Select the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Step 2. From the Start menu, go to Settings. You can do this by clicking on the gear icon. Step 3. In the Settings window, select Personalization. Step 4. Within the Personalization settings, click on Colors. Step 5. Under the Choose Your Color section, select Dark. This will activate dark mode. Step 6. To manually select an accent color, you have a few options. You can choose a color from the Recent Colors or Windows Colors sections. If you want an even more detailed option, select Custom Color. Alternatively, you can let Windows automatically pick an accent color from your background by selecting the Automatically Pick an Accent Color from My Background box. The accent color will help offset and complement the dark mode. Step 7. Under the Show Accent Color on the Following Surfaces section, make sure to check the Start Taskbar and Action Center box, as well as the Title Bars and Window Borders box. That's it. You have successfully changed the accent color in dark mode on Windows 10. Enjoy the new look and feel of your operating system. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.